B block group 15 questions. Question 1. Explain the action of dilute and concentrated HNO3 with copper and zinc. Copper on reaction with dilute HNO3 forms copper nitrate and nitrogen monoxide, and concentrated HNO3 forms nitrogen dioxide. 3Cu plus 8HNO3 dilute gives 3Cu NO3 taken twice plus 2NO plus 4H2O. Cu plus 4HNO3 concentrated gives Cu NO3 taken twice plus 2NO2 plus 2H2O, whereas zinc on reaction with dilute nitric acid gives N2O and with concentrated nitric acid gives NO2. 4 zinc plus 10HNO3 dilute gives 4Zn NO3 taken twice plus 5H2O plus N2O. Zn plus 4HNO3 concentrated gives Zn NO3 taken twice plus 2H2O plus 2NO2. Metals like chromium, aluminium do not dissolve in concentrated nitric acid because of the formation of passive film of oxide on the surface. Explain the basic character of phosphine. Phosphorus is basic in character due to the presence of lone pair of electrons on phosphorus atom. Phosphine on reaction with acids like HI, hydroiodic acid, form a salt of phosphonium compound. pH 3 plus HBr gives pH 4Br. Explain the Brown ring test for detection of nitrate ion. Brown ring test for nitrate is conducted by treating an equal amount of freshly prepared FeSO4 and the salt solution containing nitrate ion. Add concentrated H2SO4 carefully along the sides of the test tube. If a brown ring is formed at the junction of the two liquids with sulfuric acid, it confirms the presence of nitrate ion. The principle of brown ring is the ability of Fe2+ to reduce the nitrates to nitric oxide, which reacts with Fe2+ to form a brown colored complex, that is bracket Fe H2O taken 5 times, NO bracket close 2+. NO raised to 3 minus plus 3 Fe2 plus 4H plus minus gives NO plus 3 Fe3 plus 2H2O. Fe H2O taken 6 times, whole bracket 2 plus NO gives Fe H2O taken 5 times, NO whole bracket 2 plus H2O, that is a brown ring. The bond angle in pH4 is more than pH3. Why? In pH4 and in pH3, phosphorus atom is in sp3 hybridization. pH3 has lone pair of electrons on phosphorus atom, thus lone pair bond pair repulsion decreases the tetrahedral angle and its shape is distorted to pyramidal. Whereas in pH4 there is no lone pair of electrons on phosphorus, which is involved in bonding. Thus there is no lone pair bond pair repulsion, and the bond angle is that of tetrahedral angle as 109 degrees 28 minutes. PCl5 acts as an oxidizing or reducing agent. Justify. PCl5 acts as an oxidizing agent as it can undergo reduction. The oxidation state of phosphorus in PCl5 is +5. It is more stable oxidation state. It is the group oxidation state. It cannot oxidize further. Thus, it can act as an oxidizing agent, not as a reducing agent. H3PO3 is dibasic and H3PO4 is tribasic. Why? All acids of phosphorus contain one P double bond O and at least one P bond OH bond. Only the H atoms which are bonded with oxygen in P-OH bond are ionizable and cause basicity. As there are two P bond OH bonds in H3PO3, it is dibasic. And with the three P bond OH bonds, H3PO4 is tribasic.